Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super adorable Molang sugar cookie squishy. And you will also need pink polymer clay for the sprinkles. So let's get into the video. First cut out a block of density foam, and I'm using this from Hobby Lobby. Then draw an outline of Molang's head. Then cut that shape out and smooth it out as if it were an actual sugar cookie. And this is how mine turned out. Then I mixed the colors orange and white to form the color of the cookie. You can also use pre-made paint, but then apply it to your squishy. Once it's dried, form a white circle in the middle of the squishy, and I didn't put any of my cream colored paint in here because this is where I would put the white paint. Now apply the white paint to the surface of the ears. Now that the white paint is still wet, go ahead and form your polymer clay sprinkles and then apply them to the squishy while it's still wet, placing them in the position where you want them to go. Now that the paint is dry, go ahead and pop the polymer clay sprinkles out so that they'll still have the indent of the polymer clay, and then go ahead and bake the sprinkles. Then apply white paint to the indents of your squishy and then place your sprinkles on the paint. And now you're finished! I hope you guys liked this DIY as much as I did, and I thought this was super cute. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what you want to see next on this channel. Bye!